You on that side? 21 miles. Damn.
What's good, Andy Squat? It's your girl E.
It's your boy Andy.
August.
And we are the
Vibes family.
Vibes Family.
Our family.
So guys, we are back.
We are back.
We are back. We are back. We are back. So what are we doing? So what are we doing right now?
We about to go and try to get some fireworks.
Yes, we're about to go try to get some fireworks. As you guys saw, we had
Let
a
me
drive.
out.
Like, it was like, what, a 2-hour drive?
It was a drive. 2 hours and 6 minutes.
Yes, coming from Queens to Pennsylvania, y'all. So it was a drive. And we
Let me
are
out.
finally here. August, relax. Are you excited to see the fireworks? Like, to get the fireworks?
I'm gonna put them on my head, so I can shoot them.
All right, babe.
All right,
Cut
so
the
we'll
phone
see you
short. Let's
guys
go inside.
inside because he's wilding right now. Don't forget to
Like, comment, and subscribe.
I would have got more, but I bought some stuff earlier.
So we're inside, guys. I don't know if we could vlog, so I'm kind of like sneaking.
Whiskey Tango.
A lot of stuff. A lot of stuff over here.
That's a lot. 48 shots.
48. How much is it?
60. August, why is the card over there?
August, get the cart.
Come, let's go.
They have little ones too, babe. You're gonna have to get some little ones for the kids.
Yeah.
I know.
So leave them alone.
Yeah, no, it's really a good show. Now I gotta get some.
That's off of my
What is that? August, come over here, Pop.
Get off of me. Why, what is that?
Where?
What is this?
Those probably spin out the fireworks. I'm not sure. What is that, babe? No?
Spring, super, powerful. Oh, it's like a fountain.
What's some more?
Let's
August.
go to the back wall. I want to see the little shop.
What's that?
You're gonna have to see it because I can't really show you. What? I can't really. I mean, tell you. This is 20. How much was this guy?
Of course.
I'm gonna get a decent amount.
Blast zone.
This is 27.
You're gonna have to get a big one too. What's this?
27 shots. This is 30 shots.
Don't tell mom.
50.
It said
This
that.
is 49. No, this is 24. Don't tell mom.
It did say don't tell.
Of course you like that.
Mariah, like,
Stop.
Some back here too. Let me see over here.
Don't 16 shots. This was wet.
this
Wet.
one?
That needs a little red, white, and blue. We're gonna get a big one, but y'all gotta pick the big one. I'll pick this out.
August, you want this one? No. Okay. August stay having an attitude, y'all. I don't think it's ever gonna change, which is bad. Look at them. Look at the Vibes family looking at you. Ew, wipe your mouth. Wipe your mouth. Your crusty self. Oh. How they left me with the cart and I'm over here vlogging. I'm the one vlogging.
This is 20 shots. Alright. We got wide open.
Alright, our cart looking a little decent.
Red, white, and blue.
Sorry.
Independence Day, 20 shots.
Think that's gonna be good?
This is 43. This is 9 shots. This is 2. This is 49 shots.
49.
See, if I knew kind of what it looked like.
Right. You just going by what you think.
Money shots. No coin shots.
Be in the front.
Hit soldier shot.
You don't want to go look for it?
I don't want to vlog it because I don't know if I could vlog.
Crazy.
I only have the money.
Yeah, the money shot's probably nice.
No, they're not nice. They're ugly.
Crazy coyote.
What's that meat?
Alright guys, so we left the store. We really didn't vlog that much because I don't know, it was just weird in there, right?
Hectic in there.
Yeah, it was hectic and I didn't want people to feel uncomfortable, you know. And it's kind of like a hillbilly type of thing, so if you know what I mean. No disrespect, but I ain't have time for the nonsense. So we will show you guys what we got when we get home.
That's crazy. You know we in New Jersey?
Now we're in New Jersey.
We're in New Jersey after that. So Jersey is so damn big.
Yeah, Jersey is big as hell.
Damn, how we just crossed the line and we reached in Jersey?
And now we're in Jersey.
So that whole drive was Jersey.
Was Jersey, yep.
That got me tight. So we didn't even see
The whole drive was Jersey, but the store is literally in Pennsylvania. Like as soon as you see "Welcome to Pennsylvania," the store is right there where we just were. Mad crazy. So yeah, guys, we will show you what we got when we get home. We're about to go grab a bite to eat right now. So we might vlog it, we might not. If not, then y'all just see us when we get home. All right, guys, so it is the next day, but you guys did see the breakfast that I made this morning. Babe, how did you like the French toast?
It's good. Best French toast I ever had.
I hear that. Period. So it's much later. It's officially the 4th of July, so happy 4th of July.
Ooh, let me hold it because you cutting me out.
We didn't show you guys the fireworks, so we're about to show you guys them now.
It's our first time, so
Yeah.
we didn't know what to get.
Exactly.
Is the real thing. We didn't really know what to get, so I just went in there and just started picking up.
So next year, Andy is gonna go with the guys, and they're all gonna do their big one because now we know where to go. So
yes, and we're gonna get way more than this.
So next year, be ready.
It's just a little starter pack.
Next year's vlog is gonna be lit.
Nothing too crazy. Y'all gonna see.
Yes.
Cause I'm gonna be like,
Andy's slowly getting lit right now, y'all. Y'all know I don't drink, so Andy getting drunk for the both of us. All right, guys, we will see you when we start the fireworks.
That's the That's the one I was talking about.
it's the sucker that's loud.
Show it.
Before you light it, say you gotta go.
All right, y'all. So we start early. Watch out. Wait, the car. This is Jasmine, Jalen's best friend, and y'all know Jalen. All right, what is this supposed to do? What is this supposed to do?
Jasmine.
Jalen, bring it up. Jalen. Okay. It got a decent amount in there. All right, y'all. August is about to light the sparkles with his Uncle Oreo. With his brother, excuse me, he calls him his brother.
Ready?
Wait, I want to do one.
Hurry up then, Jalen.
Hurry up. Go. Okay. Give me his little pretty car.
Augie, spin it, Augie, spin it. Spin, keep spinning.
They definitely pissed at his face.
Keep spinning. Be careful, just keep spinning. Back up some. Back up some, August.
Why you put on the floor?
Well, y'all acting like punks.
It's closed. I don't know why you give it to them.
Oreo!
Really, Oreo? Why?
Ah, shit. Kids, stay back. My boy flinching. Shit. Go crazy, go crazy, go crazy. Ooh. Go crazy, go crazy, go crazy. Oh my God. Okay, Miss Dawn. Yeah, yeah. Keep it up, Miss Dawn. Keep it up, keep it up.
Don't jump now.
No, you're not a stock kid.
Yo, I think we should throw water on these.
Yeah.
Fire.
Don, you can angle it another way. Like,
She's scared. All right, this is the Smurfs one. August, back up. August, back up. Back up, Augie. Yeah, yeah. Woo. Yes, Sirski. Yeah, we got competition across the way over there. They trying to do their big one, so we gotta do our big one back. Feel me? Y'all hear the fireworks? They starting over here. They starting behind us. They starting everywhere. What they say, Oreo?
fire. Lick shots.
Fire, fire. Let's go. They making us look like pussies. Bless you. Relax. Oreo be running. August, move over here, Pop.
My turn.
You want to light it? Look at your face. No. Look at your face. Oreo, do it. Do multiple. Oh, y'all hear that? Oh! Got the whole block out. See the one of them people over there?
Yo, give me another one.
Go ahead. No, go ahead.
Oreo's trying to risk it all. He's trying to risk it all.
I want to see what's gonna happen.
He's
So
trying
look,
to light both
this one
of these at the
is
same
on the
time.
bottom, right?
Show it. Show Oreo.
Let's see. All right, this one is on the top, right? All right, this one.
How you gonna light both of them at the same time, Oreo? Oreo playing with his life. I got faith in you. You know how to run. Go ahead.
Go back where it came from. Oreo, move it back up some.
Yeah, it's too close. By the water, Oreo. Yeah.
Trying to get it to light.
Okay. No, he's not running.
This car's coming?
I don't know.
No.
Wait, is he coming?
He ain't coming.
Ah, shit. All right, y'all. It's raining. It started raining a little bit. It's drizzling. It's not raining fully. But Miss Dawn over here doing this. I don't think Oreo. When we doing our next big one, we probably be taking a little intermission right now.
No, you hurt my phone.
First of all, that's not fun. See y'all see them? Inside. He got an attitude.
I wanted to scare him, that's why.
Oh, August, Uncle Oreo wants you. Oreo! Oreo about to scare August. Yeah. Wait, come August. Come real quick. Yeah. Uncle Oreo wants you. Come, August. Come. Come. Wait, come. I gotta tell you something. All right, go to Uncle Oreo, but you gotta stand next to Jasmine. Go ahead. Go to Uncle Oreo. Hurry up. Wait. All right, y'all. August about to do his little confetti little thing.
This way. That way. Ready?
Woo! August! All right, we're coming back. Earl, make sure you run. What? Yeah.
No, their fingerprints are different.
Let's go.
Come on, bro.
Yeah. Fire! Boop, 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 boop. Yeah. Let's go. Oh! Yes, Thirsty! Let's go. Oh! Yes, Zersky! Yes, Zersky! Yes, baby. Yes, Zersky! Yes, Zersky! Look at these kids over here. Kids over here. About to start again. Start it back. Start it back. Run it back. Run it back for the one time. Come on. Oh. All right. Let's see, y'all. Let's see. Yeah. 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 Yeah.
All right, baby. All right, it's time for the big one. Oh, you going over there? All right. All right. Where the light at?
Right here.
All right, y'all. This is the grand finale. Shit, this shit taking bad long. This is intense. This is intense. Andy burned his fucking finger. This the send off. This the send off. Or being reckless. Happy 4th, people. Woo! Happy 4th. Drop mic. Drop mic.
Is there more?
Keep turning it, Pop.